Hi, I'm Dr. Raja and you are watching my YouTube channel IT Tech Trend. Today I will explain how to configure a firewall. The labs are design and network topology, configure the devices, set up and apply firewall rules to control and secure network traffic, test the functionality of the firewall. Rules which I'm going to define for the firewalls are blocking, ping or ICMP, and allowing IP addresses. Resources for topology are one switch, one server, and two PCs. And I'm going to be use a classy IP address for server 192.168.1.1 and for the PCs 192.168.1.2 and .3 respectively. First, we will deploy the topologies. We need a switch. I'm going to be use a 2960 switch, drag and drop on the canvas, and then need two PCs. So I'm going to drag and drop here and one server. So the server is dropped there. Now we connect with the cables and first I will connect a server with switch and then a PC, first PC and second PC, and I'll label all those devices. The IP address for server 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0, a copy, and just simply uh, there, change the IP address 192.168.1.2 and the next one is .3. Uh, we'll label all the devices. Now I will configure the IP addresses server desktop IP addresses 192.168.1.1. Again, I will copy it and subnet mask automatically here 255.255.255.0. Now the PC 0, desktop IP configuration. The IP address is simply .2. I will change it and subnet mask there PC 1, then desktop again IP configuration IPv4 address .3 and the subnet. Now I will connect the functionality first. I'm going to be ping from any PC to this server and later we apply the rules and then we test it. So command prompt and I will use ping 192.168.1.1. This time we are be able to successfully communicate to our server, send packet 4, receive 4, and zero loss. I will apply. Now we configure a firewall. So I'm going. Will check the apply a firewall IPv4, and before we're going to be apply, make sure the service must be on. We click a service. Now we apply the inbound rules. For inbound rule, first we block, deny, and the protocol ICMP. And now we need to be add here is the remote IP address. So 0.0.0.0 means all IP addresses and subnet mask 255.255.255.255. The subnet mask is a reverse of the IP addresses, so all subnet masks are blocked. At second rule we apply, we allow a IP protocols for all our IP addresses like class A, B, C, D, all, and then same for all remote white and press add. Now we assign a deny ICMP and allow IP address. So we first check it. Are we able to still we are able to ping communicate? This time we supposed to be not be communicate it. That's his time out because we define deny ICMP, the ping command. So all requests are time out, and the third and the fourth one is also quick. There you go. packet sent 4, received 0, lost 4, and lost. Okay. Now what I will do is go to server and then the services and select the HTTP. Make sure HTTP and HTTP services are on. Click on the index and I will change this one. Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer, opening door, everything I will change. I will add IT Tech Trends, my channel name, and save it. Yes, I can be able to access this website from any of my PC. So click on this and here I will add server IP address 192.168.1.1. You will see I'm be able to be access our website and it show IT Tech Trend. So our both rules are successfully working.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.